Alright guys, in this video we're gonna talk about the MHD stage 1 on a F8X generation M3 M4, so your F80 F82 cars. And of course I'm gonna hop in the car and give you a nice POV drive. Mind you, right now I'm on winter tires and it's snowing, but MHD stage 1 is a must. The car feels so much better than just stuck. I would say it's combined with the single mid pipe that I have, easy 530 horsepower, given mine is a competition. So without further ado, let's hop in the car and take her for a ride. So we're gonna do a little bit of just normal roads, and then we'll take it to the highway, and you'll see it for yourself how it drives on MHD stage 1. Let's go. All right guys, we are on the road and in the favorite third gear, of course. But let me tell you what the difference feels like. I feel like the difference is insane. Just insane. Even when I first started driving, the power was so present that I could, the first gear was jerky. That's how touchy the gas was. And given that I'm on winter setup, this thing rips. Absolutely rips. Gotta love the auto route match on these. It's my favorite feature on this car. But yeah, so a lot of you gonna be asking about the crank hub. Of course, nope, it's not done. Honestly guys, stage 1 manual gearbox, don't worry about it. I've been ripping this car so much and nothing happened. Unless you auto and you go stage 2 and you shift super aggressive, then yeah. But other than that, I don't see a need for the crank hub. $3,500. Wow, that's crazy. I even dumped the clutch a couple of times accidentally. I mean, the auto rev match didn't work as designed, and I just literally dumped the clutch and it jerked so hard. I literally done this at least 5 times and the crank hub didn't spin. Here we go. Back to MHD stage 1 talk. Even in higher gears, the difference is so crazy. Like, it just pulls and pulls. You guys know that these cars have crazy low end power, but the high end was really lacking. But now look, 6th gear, and it just, and mind you, it's snowing. It's snowing. I'm on winter tires, but I would do it all over again 1,000 times. MHD stage 1 is most definitely top 3 mods on this car for me. Yep. Combined with the single mid pipe, it just sounds so good, and it holes. I wasn't even Sport Plus. Let me give you a little Sport Plus. Oh, another cool thing about MHD, when you do MHD flash, you can customize a bunch of things. You can even make your auto ram edge in Sport Plus. You can adjust the burbles. You can get rid of the cold start, reduce cold start, I mean, which I don't recommend, because I tried that and my car was running rough as hell. The idle was rough as hell. So if you have cats, do not mess with the cold start feature. That's only for catless downpipes, because you don't have cats. There's nothing to warm up. That feature is to warm up your cats. Anyway, let's go. So let me show you. 6th gear. Just pulls. We're filming this in Mexico, of course, for the reliability reasons. But back to M1. I do have an action camera in front of my face. But guys, again, very, very much awesome mod. Wow. So what really prompted me to do this mod actually is when I put my winter tires on, and I'm at elevation as well, so winter tires plus lose in power from the elevation. The car felt like a, I don't know what to compare it to, not an M car. It felt kind of slow. I kind of got all sad. And then my intercooler, charged air cooler, broke internally. You've seen that if you follow the channel, of course. And I fixed that, and ironically then I went MHD stage 1. I was like, let's go. I put 1-step colder plugs. So yeah, that's one other thing before I cut this video is if you're gonna do it, go with the NGK. Don't go with Bosch, they suck. Go NGK 1-step colder plugs, and I'll leave it in the description what part number you need. I got mine from Amazon for like 80 bucks, and they are way better than Bosch, trust me. Again, I have a video on this whole shebang, what happened to my car, but I am going to call an end to this video, and as usual, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please do follow the channel. Don't just watch the video and give me a follow. Let's get to 10K this year. Come on guys, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.